Hello po, good morning sa inyong lahat. So for today's video po, pumunta kami sa bahay kubo nila Sarah. Hi Sarah.
Hello.
So anong ganap natin today?
So, mag-visit sila Ate Rose doon sa aming kubo at saka magluluto kami ng native na chicken.
So, ayan na po yung sasakyan namin Skyla. Papuntang Lutay. So ayun na guys, papunta muna kami sa Lutay bago kami pumunta sa bahay kubo nila Sarah. Ito po yung sasakyan namin papuntang Lutay. Habal-habal o Skylab sa Bisaya. Hi Kuya Jojo.
Hello.
Sarah. Hello. Are you ready? Are you ready? George.
Are you trying?
Ya kaya Raya? At ayan na po, nandito na po kami sa Lutay Village.
Going to see some sweet potato or I don't know, something like whatever. So again, where are we going?
To the house of Ate Inday. Because she's prepared us sweet potato.
Who is she?
The sister of Bashir.
What is this?
Barangay, I don't know,
This is Municipal Hall,
maybe.
government building.
So ito na po yung bahay nila Ate Inday.
So this is the house.
Yeah. Pasok muna tayo dito. Let's go guys.
Let's go. Okay.
Ila din?
Oh.
Ila.
Oh,
Ito na po, naka-prepared na po yung sweet potato na hinanda ni Ate Inday sa amin.
Pangapin mo bakit? Lambe, ano? Hindi ko niya sa bayan. Vlog sa lahat ko. Ayun doon. Wala.
Ay, muli mo sa damo. Mag-dito sila kayo lang.
Ay, malasa na sila ka.
Paglangan pa nito, batong bubak
Hindi
pa.
na daw, magbutong magbutong.
Mula ka mo sa dabo.
Nakakapagdabaw.
Kuha na, isit na ito daw kung sa tanong mo ito.
Iset na itong ato ko lang na. Ako
We are now in the house of
Lupat ang isda.
Shin's
Gusto
sister.
pa yung isda ba?
Pero sa
If you remember from the previous video, Shin,
Ay,
the guy
hindi.
with the bamboo. So Kuya Jojo cooked for us adobo chicken. Very nice chicken with coconut milk, soy sauce, and of course rice. Are you hungry, Rose?
Yeah.
Yeah. More rice. Because of we stuck here already for 2 hours. That's why lots of food. Let's eat.
Ito na ako.
Thank you, Atinday, sa
Thank you.
pag-prepare ng food namin. So, yung driver pala namin. Kaya ka na masyado kasi apat yung passenger mo. Thank you, Lord.
Sige na. Ayan na po, na-stuck po kami dito sa bahay nila Ate Inday kasi lakas ng ulan.
You know how to make professional sound of the bird? I show you. Because Rose teach me very good. You put like these fingers and then thank you again.
You're welcome.
Was very tasty. Bye bye.
Bye-bye kids.
Bye.
Let's go.
So right when it's rainy
Papa na busog dire.
because we can wait anymore. That's why we decided to go now. Rose.
Bye-bye.
Balik-balik.
Pohon.
The rain is over and we're ready to go. Going back to our village. Yeah, we're going back to our village to Sarah's and Jojo bamboo house. Bye-bye. And we didn't fell down. Thank you. So now we're going to check Sarah's house, bamboo house. Even it's raining and it's dirty. Yeah, now it's another part of the challenge. Oh, hello. We've been here before already, but those time the house was still under construction. But it's already finished. Yeah, Rose, she wants me to go first because I can't go first. I gonna slide.
Asa yung cellphone mo yun? Andre,
Slide.
let's go. Mag-video mo kasi mo. Let's go. Ano na po dito? So guys, sobrang ganda ng view dito.
I'm wearing wrong shoes.
Yeah. At ayan na po guys, malapit na po kami sa bahay kubo nila Sarah. At ayan na po yung bahay kubo nila.
We're going there.
Opo. Yes.
There
Yeah.
is someone there.
Yeah, the brother of Sarah. So, yan na po. Papunta na po tayo doon.
Every
Ayan na guys. Umuulan pa rin.
I almost fell.
At ayan si Sarah. Kumuha muna siya ng malunggay para isahog namin. Yes. At saka may tanglad rin dito.
So, I'm so happy talaga kasi kahit nag-ulan, kahit ang hirap ng aming napagdaanan kanina, napunta talaga sila pero sa amin kayo. Kasi gusto nila mag-spend ng time doon. At napunta din yung finally.
Kahit si George, daldal ng daldal.
Nagkasyong anak, gahapon na napagkita, yung anak,
Oh,
pila na katuig, ang
careful George.
saging. Bayda na lang sila basta nung una pa pero
Ayan na po guys, nandito na po kami sa bahay nila Sarah, bahay kubo. Finally. At ito yung farm nila Sarah and Kuya Jojo. Ang daming view. Ang ganda ng bahay niyo Sarah. Super relaxing bamboo house. Ayo. At yan na po yung brother ni Sarah. Mas nauna sila sa amin kasi kami pumunta pa kami ng Lutay kanina. Hi Del.
ay kalagot dal do, gaina pa ang amin.
Banana pa kami dito. At saka ito yung kitchen nila, native kitchen. Very nice, yeah, nice. At ito yung sorry guys, natulog yung wifi. What's this? Init.
So this is the bedroom. Here's the kitchen. And Sarah told me they're going to extend this space. They want to put more floor here and then to put table and chairs. And this is the chicken which we're going to cook for the chicken soup. Very sad because this chicken is going to die soon.
So, sa ngayon po, tutulungan ko muna si Sarah how to magkuskus ng malunggay. Pwede eh. Okay, ano Maghatpat.
Magkakat ng paninda.
Maghatpat.
Yeah.
Kasi tinulungan ko na siya kanina kasi hindi ko na videohan yung phone ko na lubat na. Ito ito mabukog ani no? Kadagpo. So tama na ni. Repa ko. Ako na lang magtagtad. Pero ngayon guys, itagtarin po natin yung chicken natin.
Sige, ito na ba? Ito rin siya.
Ilagay natin dito yung dyan, ilagay. At saka oh, bagya.
Sila, ito rin. Mana dah support.
Oh, bag.
Kada ilang te, kada ilang. Kada ilang. Bikin ibayar.
Okay na.
Alam ko kaya kita mo ba ito kau? Apa puin iya. Yan kau tagbilang kau. Yan kau. Kau. Hindi. Yan lang iyan niya pulo lang hakan pakuan sa iyan. Ande ka tala matulog po. Ah?
Ah, bagya sundang mayo ini.
Ya makan eh. Ari mo lang mapit ng ikaw iya pa ba yan.
Klaro po ng camera.
Ere aon.
Okay. So,
Belum ko omong ko to. Para ka pagalan ko namin berselina. Ano ito? Tapay-tapay.
mana? Okay, tapos na po tayo guys sa ating native chicken. Ready to cook na.
Sige, bukan mo sa dahon, bukan sa dahon. Yan na. Mabasa. Yan.
Yeah, ang imong tagak dito sa to bakituloy.
Hindi ano. Lasa ko. Hindi lang magtiwasok dito. Kamaya sige. Stop na.
Okay. Stop na. Yung garlic. Ay! Already clean now. This is our chicken meat, guys. Native chicken. Ilagay na natin yung chicken natin. Iluno na natong kuan ni Jane.
Diretso na.
Sunod na itong video. Half lang, ano lang.
Ay, oh.
Sige. Next natin. Sige na, Jen.
Ha?
So, ngayon guys, luto na po yung chicken tinola natin at si George gutom na raw siya.
So soup is finally ready.
Yes, ready na ready.
After we finish our chicken soup, it's time for dessert. So Sarah is cooking boiled bananas.
You want to...
Boiled bananas.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yummy.
Is it ready already?
Yeah. Not yet.
How long it takes to? No, in total, how long it takes?
20?
20 minutes.
Depends on